how to verify RoPro in Roblox. So I've just go search for RoPro. The first thing that I'm going to do is add this to Chrome. So we just want to install this extension here. After it has been added, it should appear right here. Now, once we have RoPro installed, I'm just going to refresh my Roblox and we should get a pop-up right here. Verify RoPro user. So here we can verify your Roblox account in game or connect your Roblox account here. So we're going to use the first method, emoji verification code. Get code in RoPro user verification. Okay, so we're gonna click this and open Roblox game client, and it's going to load up the Roblox itself. So it's going to load up the Roblox launcher, and it's going to give us a code which we'll need to verify right here. So make sure you don't close this page. So just give it some time to load up, and it's going to look like this. So now what we need to do actually, so if it doesn't show for you like this, what we have to do is, if we don't get it by pressing the play button, we want to click on the Roblox icon here, the little one, and it's gonna load up RoPro user verification. So this game, we want to play this game, so just click on it and then open Roblox game client. Now what this is going to do is, it's going to load up a new client instance here, and it's going to load up the game itself. And we want to click on generate verification code. Now it's going to generate the verification code. So what we can do is just copy this. So I'm just going to press Ctrl+C on my keyboard, or Command+C if you're using Mac, and we can just paste this code. Verification successful, reloading. So now we have successfully verified RoPro, and you can see it right here, and you will get all the features. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.